feeling safe in chaotic times. We live in a time of chaos, both personal and global. So what can we do to stay calm in these turbulent times? One of the things you need to do is take some time alone to become aware of your thoughts. Now, let's try this experiment. Let yourself be comfortable. Let go of everything that's going on around you. Gently notice yourself. Be calm and at peace, or let me be still and like the night sky. Plant this moment. Let me be aware of the wisdom of the universe. It's hard not to get caught up in trying to fix everyone around you. We've tried and fixed everything on the planet. But there's one thing you can't change: other people and things. We can't fix everything in the world. If I keep trying to change other people, situations, I will become more and more insecure. When I start to express my mind calmly and clearly, I can support others to be at peace. Need to trust in intelligence and wisdom and the universe, like a tree, rooted deep into the ground. In the same way, behind every situation, there is an unseen at its root, and I don't always see it. I may not like the direction things are going, but I believe that beneath the surface chaos, there is something positive that I can't see. There is something very beneficial. Some of the most terrible pains then become the greatest gifts. Some of the most broken people then become the greatest healers and the greatest teachers. Rub red instead of labeling situations with words of good or bad. Instead of me resisting the winds that are happening around me, let me trust in the positive that will come through it. Let me trust in its wisdom and keep myself safe. The seasons are a part of life. Winter nights are a necessary part of life. But winter can't always be. But it can't be dark forever. The fields must fade to make way for spring. The night must melt to make way for light. In its own way, peace will come when I believe. This dark road will pass. Peace will surely come when I let myself in solitude realize the mystery and wisdom, the wonderful truth. Hey, there's still work to do. Peace will come easier first, with my friends, with my inner strength, and then integrate positive qualities into the outside world through seeing. Let light and positivity shine into the darkness in my mind. Make it bright, fresh, a bright inner landscape. Only then can I give. This is also a work through me, every day. What do I have to give to the world? Giving through me is unlimited. When I am in solitude, if I want peace in stormy times, I need to practice stillness, look into wisdom, experience inner peace, and have trust. Then I can easily go through the tunnel, through this chaos, to come out with stronger and brighter vision.